Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to order items on Grailed. Here are the detailed steps on how to order items on Grailed. The first thing to do is to launch your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. If prompted, click the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. After logging in, you will be redirected to your home page or dashboard, which we have in here. Use the search bar at the top of the page, which we have in here, to look for specific items or browse categories listed in the navigation menu. Okay, so let's say streetwear. I want to get streetwear, so I'm just waiting for this page to load up so I can find the streetwear that I like. Let's say I want to go for this, so click on the item you are interested in to view its details. So it takes you to the other page for this particular seller. Now, this is the other page for this particular seller, or this is the shop for the seller. So I'm just going to click on the specific order. Now, check the item's photos, description, size and price, and ensure you review all details thoroughly. If the item has multiple size options, go ahead and select the desired size from the drop-down menu provided on the items listing. But if it doesn't, just screw it. Then, if you check the right corner of your screen, you find purchase, you see offer, you see message, and a lot more. Go ahead and click on purchase, and that takes you here. You need to verify your phone number. So to use Grailed, we need to verify your phone number. We'll never display this number publicly. So go ahead and choose your country and enter your number and click on send code. And once you get a code and that number is verified, that's what's going to be it. I'm not going to go through that process. But after that has been verified, just go ahead and click on purchase. And that is going to take you to the checkout page. Now, in the checkout page, you're going to see an option for you to fill in your shipping address. That's shipping address where you want the items to be delivered. You can select any of the existing shipping address that you have. So make sure the address is accurate to avoid any delivery issues. Select your preferred shipping method from the options provided. Grailed may offer different shipping speeds or carriers. Provide your payment details. Grailed typically accepts various payment methods, including credit or debit cards and PayPal. Ensure that the payment information is accurate and up to date. Before finalizing your purchase, review all details of your order, including item descriptions, quantities, shipping address, and payment method. Confirm that everything is correct. Then click the place order or confirm purchase button to complete your transaction. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen and a confirmation email to the email address associated with your account. That's pretty much it. So be sure to check the seller's ratings and reviews to ensure a smooth purchasing experience. Keep an eye on any additional fees such as shipping costs or taxes which may be added during checkout. That's the complete process for ordering items on Grailed. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.